So I got these really cute decorations from Party City. I'm just gonna splatter them all over my room right now. Today we are feeling lucky. That's what we're feeling today. I don't know, I just thought this would be super cute. St. Patrick's is in a couple days, or like a week I think from now. But over the weekend in Chicago, they will dye the river green. Obviously everything is safe. It is not bad for like the water or anything like that. But anyway, let's get right into this video. The reason that you clicked onto this video is because you want to see what I do with my phone for St. Patrick's Day. The first step is always choosing a phone case. Whenever I change the theme of my iPhone, it's a must. And here are my top choices. This one, okay, yeah, just because it's green, but let me not. That fell on the floor, but we're not doing that one because just because I saw it was green, it just gave me those vibes. But once I actually stared at it right here, let me get closer. I feel like I'm too far. No, I'm too close. Okay, here's the thing, right? I like these two a lot, like a lot. I don't know which one I want on my phone. This is really hard, and I wish that this was alive so that I could see people's comments right now letting me know which one to have on my phone. But for now, I am going to go with, I think that most of the wallpapers that I did save match this one more. So I'm going to go with this one. But if I see that I should switch it, then I will. But straight off the bat, we're doing this one. We're feeling lucky today. We're feeling lucky. Alright, so the first step is done. We have the phone case that we're going to use. I'm already feeling the whole green vibe, okay? One of my favorite comfort movies is Holiday, so I am very up to date with like the holidays because of that movie, you know? I just remember that movie so well. Alright, so here. This is my Pinterest. This is my little diary area place thingy majingy. I basically already pinned absolutely many things on there. Green, aesthetic, St. Patrick's Day wallpapers saved on there. So if you do not follow me on Pinterest, you could go ahead and follow me and get all of the wallpapers that I just showed. I'm gonna just take a look and see if I get any ideas like this, like right away. I do know that I'm going to include this one, the little Care Bear. 2000% gonna choose this because Care Bears, love them. I absolutely just love them. So you see, we're starting off nice and easy. We already know what we want as a lock screen. So this is what it's looking like. I think it's so adorable, so freaking cute. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and press done, save it, and voila, here we have it. Obviously it's set up as a home screen too. I don't know how to take that off. Like, can we even take that off? That's a serious question. When we switch the lock screen out, will it always just match the home screen for you? Because I absolutely hate that. Apple needs to do something about that, like immediately. Yeah. So this is what the home screen looks like right now. I absolutely love what the color of the numbers over here and all this going on. So I'm definitely going to keep that. This was way easier. This was a piece of cake. I just came across this super cute Care Bear picture that is most definitely going to be one of the widget pictures. Why is my necklace doing this? Or is it my necklace doing this, or my sweater, or both? It keeps going in there. I don't want you to do that. Okay? Okay. Anyway, back to the video. Look at how cute this one is. Definitely going to say this one because it's adorable. It's cute. And now I want a Care Bear this color. I do. I really do now. Okay, so I think that I came across a perfect, cute home screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that and then use it for my home screen. Okay, done. Okay. Yeah. So this is what it's looking now. Obviously I have like random pictures on here of me and my boyfriend, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove them for a while. Usually when it comes to like the calendar and stuff, I will only just change the color of it, but I'm going to just try to add a picture on here and see if I'm digging it or not. So now let's go back to Pinterest and see if there's something we could use, right? This one's kind of cute. We're gonna try this one real quick. Do this one. Let's see what that looks like. It's not the worst, but I have to switch around the widgets and see where it takes me from there. I already saw some cute ones from Pinterest. Like for example, it was this one that I mentioned, the little Care Bear, so cute. And then I also wanted to include like a little quote. It's also a new month, so I will need some positivity, some positive vibes. You already know. Also kind of did my own nails, and you know, St. Patrick's Day green, rainbow, gold, you know. So I think I'm gonna add this one that says lucky. I just, hold on, I don't think I could download this. Oh, I can. So I'm gonna download it. Did you see that tweak? Okay, so I'm gonna download that says lucky, and then I'm also going to download this like little aura things. Yeah, why is that doing that? But that says the way you speak to yourself matters, and then it's just a matter of placing it wherever I want it to be placed. Why is that doing that? It's bugging me. I like this one that says it's okay to still be figuring things out now. I think I'm gonna include this one too. So I'm going to start off by getting rid of this picture of me and my boyfriend, unfortunately, and I'm going to add that Care Bear one that we saw earlier. Here it is. Ooh, so cute. This is absolutely cute. You're lying. Do I have a booger? Okay, sorry. Last time I did a TikTok, like, let's get off topic for a little bit, but last time I made a TikTok and I had a freaking booger. I left it up, of course, because I'm not gonna, you know, delete something because of real life situations. I had like washed my face, and then I guess like that's TMI, but that looks cute. Okay, I don't even know what I'm gonna do next, but everything is coming out perfectly. It's coming out really nice. So now I'm gonna remove this picture of me and my boyfriend's shoes. I don't know, I just really wanted to take a picture of our shoes, I guess. I'm gonna switch that picture to this one that says lucky and see what we get. Ready? Yes, 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 yes. Look at this. Is what it looks like from my point of view with the phone case and everything. Yes, cute. Okay, okay. But is it cute though? Let me try one more picture instead of the one that says lucky. Because maybe a lot is going on. Maybe the one that it's okay. Okay, I like this better. It says it's okay to be wait, it says, hold on, I can't read. It says it's okay to still be figuring things out right now. And this is what this looks like. I think I like this one more because yeah, the other one had too much of light colors here, and I'm liking these two more. Okay, calm down. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this, and then we're moving on to the second screen, and let's see what we do there. Okay, this is a picture of me and my sisters. I found another Care Bear one. I thought it would be too much Care Bears, but honestly, maybe it won't be, because they're cute, you know? They're just super cute and like so nostalgic. So I'm gonna switch that really quick. Okay, that looks pretty cute. That looks pretty cute. I don't care. But let's see. Maybe we could switch this one. I guess it was, I just took a picture of a book that I was reading, and I kind of like what the picture looked like, so I added it on there. That's pretty much why. Then I'm gonna add this that says 777, look, wonderful things are about to happen. So I'm gonna add that one onto that second home screen too, because I don't know, it's just really nice. This is what it looks like. Ooh, I always like to do like the edges first and then the middle, because I kind of like, I like it to be like a pattern, right? So I like it to be like one like super green, like for example, and then another one like not too green, and then the other one like super green, like if that makes any sense. So now for the middle one, like I did mention, I do want like a lighter vibe going on. So I'm gonna try to put that lucky one onto that screen and see if that works out. Okay, that works out perfectly. That worked out perfectly. I love it. And are we really done? Okay, so we finished a little earlier than we thought. Okay, me being a teacher, ending class soon. Early, I mean. Here is the very first screen, and then the second one. Yes, I have a lot of notifications. Just ignore them, or try to ignore them at least. I'm going to like try to rearrange this to see if I like it. Okay, that's a little different, right? So I think I like this better. And then when it comes to here, Maybe I could just put everything else on the other side, you know, just a little change, a little something something. And yeah, so we basically just switched it to the other side because we wanted something different, you know. And that pretty much completes this video. That was nice and easy. It was a piece of cake, and now this is like the 5th time I mentioned cake, and now I really want a cake. You see, out of like getting out of topic a little bit, I do make this like really tres leches cake. Like if you know, you know, and it is honestly so good. Just so you can see a little my point of view or whatever, this is what the home screen looks like. Yee, super cute. Okay, and then the second home screen. Ooh. I do want to do more like life videos, I guess that's what you would call it. I think this was just going down and down and nobody told me. Why didn't you tell me? We're supposed to be best buddies. But anyways, like I said, I do want to do like more life videos, I guess, so that you really get to know me and stuff. Yeah, I want to do more like get readies with me, more like do your makeup with me, do more like you know, vlogs. But obviously I know y'all don't like that because y'all want to see what's in my phone. Y'all want to know what phone cases I have, or like what, you know, what I like to do with my phone and stuff. You just care about my phone. You don't care about me. You're here for my phone and my phone only. But maybe our friendship will get there eventually, okay? Just know that you're my friend and I'm your friend. You could come to me for anything, you know. Thank you, Jennifer, for commenting on my last video. So that is the first shout out. Trissa, thank you so much for commenting on my last video too. Like, I love you. I literally love you so much. I feel so happy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much to every single one of you who commented on my last video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this a If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And also don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias, okay? Show me some love on TikTok, on Instagram, you name it. Okay, we're trying to grow here. They will all be linked down below in the description. Let me know if you liked any of these wallpapers. I could easily just send them to you on Instagram if you DM me and let me know that you want them, or you could follow me on Pinterest. But if you don't have a Pinterest, you could just DM me on Instagram and let me know, hey, I saw your video and can you send me the wallpapers? And I will gladly do that, right? But that's pretty much it. Hope that you enjoyed, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Love you all. This is so cute and like simple, you know. I also try to do my makeup. Trust me, I almost did not make this video because I was not liking how it was looking, and I still don't like what it's looking like, okay? So I did this video for you and for you only. Did my nails like I mentioned. Yes, I have Cheeto fingers. Yeah, I love my Cheetos, so I think I'll always have Cheeto fingers. Yeah, it's literally a video on how I used to do my nails when I would do them on my own. I tried to do acrylics and girl, it was not for me. If you saw that video, I would be embarrassed. Like, I can't watch that video without me cringing because they look absolutely, yeah. But now it's a little easier because they're not acrylics. They're like little, I forgot what they're called. I was gonna say lash extensions, but no. But yeah. Yeah.